Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today let's go for a quick drive in this 2023 Acura MDX Type S Advance. This car has 355 horsepower with a 3-liter turbo V6, 10-speed automatic transmission. The Type S gives you the 25-speaker ELS Studio 3D Signature Edition sound system, open pore wood trim, cool stitching on the seats, air suspension and massage seats, which is really cool. This is the only Acura that has massage seats. If you hold down the button, you can change your mode. The air suspension raises or lowers depending on the mode you're in. For this test drive, let's go in Sport Plus. The 2025 MDX Type S MDX refresh has been unveiled. The Type S is going to look different on the front. The interior it'll no longer have ELS. It's going to have a Bang & Olufsen sound system with 31 speakers, which is ridiculous. And you're going to have a touchscreen in the new one. I can't wait to get my hands on a 2025 in the next few months to make some reviews on that. And yep, this one has a gnarly windshield crack. Yeah, just ignore that for now. But the Type S, it's really comfortable. It's a unique car. You don't really see too many of these. So if you want a unique premium SUV, this is a nice car. The price, MSRP is $75,000. This is not a speed demon by any means. It's quick. I mean, it's quick for sure, but you don't expect it to be like an X5 M50i or something, because that's what it's not. But it is quick. For daily driving, this is more than enough, and the handling is really good. For a SUV of this size, it handles pretty well. Suspension's good. It's dialed in. Obviously, there's some pretty big body roll in this car around corners because it is a pretty big SUV for sure. But see, this car is not catering to... This is not a SUV for people who are looking for a super high performance SUV like an X5M or something, which costs twice as much. This is a performance SUV for sure, but it is not super high performance. This is for someone who wants a luxurious SUV which has a good brand name and model name, like Type S, right, with some nice features. Like, I've seen people trade in some crazy cars for this. We have people trading in high-end Mercedes, BMW, Audi for this car. We have some even trading a McLaren for this car. Like, it's the clientele. It's definitely higher-end clientele who wants a nice SUV. And this is the most loaded Acura you can get. It is also currently the most expensive Acura that's being sold right now, brand new. I mean, because the NSX is discontinued. This one is finished in Performance Red Pearl. It's pretty uncommon on this car. I don't really see red ones. I've never seen a red one on the road before. I see a lot of white ones. I even see Tiger Eyes, black ones, Apex Blue, but I've never seen a red one on the road. Interior is very quiet. You have extra noise insulation in this over the other MDX trims. You have heated rear seats. Front seats are ventilated, heated, and massage. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. You also have a 360 camera. Let's take a quick look at this MDX Type S. So yeah, the Performance Red Pearl is a pretty beautiful color. You get 4-piston red Brembo brakes. Super handling all-wheel drive, of course. Yeah, it's a very good-looking SUV. I love the wheels. The wheels on the 2025 facelift are going to be different, though. You can make the middle seat captain's chairs if you wanted to. Yep, as always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.